Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Good morning children. This is art and craft session. Today I am going to teach woolen flowers using woolen thread with pencil. First, the materials required for the woolen flowers is Fevibond or Fevicol, pencil, beads, scissor, woolen thread. Next we will see the flower, how to make a flower using woolen thread. Take a pencil and take the thread, attach along with the pencil, then take another thread to wind the woolen thread along with the pencil. Complete it fully. You can wind fully. After completing, cut the thread and tie it tightly. Then remove from the pencil, you have wound the woolen. Then pull the wound woolen one side and tie it tightly. Then put 3 or 2 knots to get the flower nice. Make the shape. Then complete the flower. Take one bead and put the Fevibond or Fevicol in center of the flower and place it or fix it. You will get a nice flower, woolen flower using with pencil. I have made some of the flowers here. You can do it, children. Children, we will going to see another activity, that is how to do stocking butterflies. The materials required for doing the butterfly is paintbrush, steel wire and golden wire, thread, scissor, stocking cloth, pollens, cylindrical objects. All these materials are available in the market. First, take any 2 cylindrical objects and take the steel wire to make the shape, and take the stocking cloth. It is stretch and you attach with this steel thread and take the thread and tie the thread tightly. You will get 4 different size of wings for the butterfly, and then attach the 2 different size of the wings, tie them tightly. you will get 2 wings, 4 wings. Then take a brush or pencil or any support to wind and take the wire, golden wire, and wind for the body part. Complete it fully. After completing, you remove from that brush and you will get this body part. And take some pollens and you take a bit of steel wire or golden wire and attach with that wire. You tie them tightly because it will remove from that wire. So, you have to tie tightly and attach the pollens with the body part and take the wings, take the 4 wings. Then you have to keep middle you have to keep the body part, then the pollens and the 4 wings. Then again you take the thread and tie the whole thing you have to tie, that is wings, body part and then the pollens. Then cut remaining wire. You will get a nice beautiful butterfly using stocking. All these materials are available in the market, you can buy them. I have made some more butterflies here, we will see that also. Some of the butterflies I have already made. All these butterflies are made in stocking cloth. I hope you will do this.